How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin. I'm back on another video. We got a special one for you guys. When we're out camping, we like to cook our own food because we save a lot of money doing that. We're here in Erie, PA, camping at Lampy Campground. We just got through going over to Press Cow, and we figured, hey, we're going to make our own breakfast. So we're going to be making some King's Hawaiian rolls, French toast. And we're going to bring you guys along, and we're going to give you the measurements. We're only going to be doing a half a batch, and it's just Julie and I, so we're going to get started. All right, when you get started, it's going to call for 3/4 of a cup of milk. So we're going to do a half.
Well, one thing we don't have in the camper is measuring cups and spoons. So we're just going to kind of,
So we're going to give you the recipe for the full batch, and you're going to have to cut it in half. So it's actually calling for 3/4 cup of milk. So we're going to do whatever we think is half of 3/4. And I think we're a little high on that.
It's good. It doesn't have to be perfect.
Okay. So you need, for a full batch, it's calling for 3/4 cup. So you want to put about half of that in your mix here.
Yeah, we got to get some measuring spoons.
Yeah, and then the eggs, it's calling for 3 eggs for a full batch.
So we're just going to do 2.
We're going to do 2 eggs.
Because how do you split 3 eggs in half?
And make sure they're fresh eggs. Get them right out of the chicken coop. So that's what we did. So we're going to do 2 fresh eggs.
We'll leave all the measurements on the...
I'll leave it on the screen for you guys.
At the end of the video.
Yeah. So...
Because sometimes we can be a little confusing.
Absolutely.
Okay, so now we need 1 tablespoon of vanilla.
So that's 3 of these.
1 tablespoon, but we're only doing half, remember?
So we need 1½ teaspoons.
Yeah. Definitely have to get some measuring spoons and things. We've never needed them before until now.
We're trying to make something different. You know, you get tired of, we've been making a lot of wraps and that type of stuff.
Tired of the same things all the time. Yeah.
How many, what's this call for?
Wait, 1½ or
1½ 1½ teaspoons. Because it's calling for
a tablespoon. So
good with this.
All right, now we need 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, so we'll just do half, which is a ½ teaspoon. And you can improvise and put as much or as little as you want. It's up to you. It's however you like it. If you like a lot of cinnamon, put more.
So we need about a ½ cinnamon.
Yeah, about a ½ teaspoon.
How's that look?
Good.
Good.
And then the sugar.
So that would be a teaspoon.
Is that a tablespoon?
No, I need 3 of these.
No. Oh, okay.
To make a tablespoon.
Okay. I forgot salt too, darn it.
Okay, so there's our there's 1 tablespoon.
Okay, and we need a pinch of salt, it says.
All right, we're gonna do just a pinch of salt. That looks like a pinch. What do you think?
Yeah, it's good.
That's a pinch.
Yeah. Yeah, we don't have a whisk or anything, so we're just using a fork.
So we'll stir these up real good.
Okay, we're just going to throw a couple pats of butter in the skillet and get it melting. While that's melting, we're going to cut our rolls. Just going to cut them right on the cardboard. All right, we're going to cut this first row in half long ways. Well, try to get them a little even here. Make sure they're all the way through. And then cut them where they're connected. And then cut the next row in half, because that's all we're going to be using.
Now we can actually do these again tomorrow morning, and we have enough for another
half. Yeah.
Another half.
Yeah. So you just want to break them apart. So we're just going to take this half.
Those look good. Will you do just 2 at a time? Oh, you do them separate like that?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
And there's your little French toast pieces. Oh, you can slice them again if you want, however small you want to make them. But I think that's fine. We're just going to do that. But just separate them. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and put a few of them in our bowl. You don't want to let them get too soggy. Just in there for just a few seconds or so. Let them get some of the custard.
Right on there.
I'm going to get some of the extra sauce. Throw some more in here. Our bowl's a little small too. Like I said, we don't have a lot of the right things, but now we know what we need.
Make some more room here.
Yeah, you want to leave them in there for, just like 20 seconds, 30 seconds to get absorbed inside, but yet you don't want to leave them too long to make them soggy.
Oh, they're looking good already. So now you can just throw some bananas on here, any kind of fresh fruit, right?
Mm-hmm. Blueberries, strawberries, bananas, whatever.
And then pour you some syrup over.
You can even do some powdered sugar if you would like. You can sprinkle more cinnamon after it comes out, but I don't know, they look pretty yummy. I put some on mine already. Yeah.
So we're good to go.
Yeah, let's eat. They look pretty good.
Let's try. So now we only made a half a batch of these, so yeah, a big batch. If you had some more people, I think a half a batch is more than enough for 2 people.
They're a little crispy on the outside, but they're soft on the inside.
Definitely.
Like
good.
Yeah.
So listen, we're gonna leave the recipe at the end, and it will have for a full batch, and you guys can break it down however you want.
Yeah, or double it, or
if you want to double it. Yeah. You got a bunch of kids.
However many you're making.
But they definitely are good. Definitely good taste.
Pretty good.
Not bad for out camping, huh?
And it's a pretty simple recipe.
Yeah. So, I would like to tell everyone, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. Till next time.